If you're an entrepreneur, the IRS gives you many tax advantages. The problem is most entrepreneurs don't know where to find them or that they exist. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you some of the biggest tax deductions for entrepreneurs in 2025 and offer insights on how you can take advantage of some of these, maximize your savings, and reinvest in your business. My name is Daniel Kotz. I'm a licensed tax attorney. My clients and colleagues refer to me as the IRS bouncer. The IRS bouncer is not an official title. I don't have a position of any kind with the IRS or U.S. government. I help people resolve or settle their tax problems and move on with their lives. As we approach 2025, it's crucial for entrepreneurs to stay abreast of all the changes in the tax code that can significantly impact their bottom line. Your first major opportunity is the home office deduction. The home office deduction continues to be a valuable tax benefit, especially as remote work remains strong and even more people are working remote than they ever have. Entrepreneurs who are using a portion of their home exclusively for business purposes can deduct the associated costs. This includes a percentage of utilities, rent or mortgage, and maintenance costs. IRS has specific criteria to qualify for this, so keeping accurate records is crucial. The second major opportunity for an entrepreneur for deductions is business use of your vehicle. If you use a vehicle for business purposes, you may be eligible for a deduction for any related expenses. The third big deduction is health insurance premiums. For self-employed entrepreneurs, the cost of health insurance from themselves, their spouse, and their family can be deductible. This deduction can offer major relief in an area where costs can be significant. However, eligibility for this depends on not having access to another source, like a spouse or an employer. Retirement contributions can be a big thing as well. Contributions to a retirement plan such as a self-employed IRA, a simple IRA, or a 401k, not only are looking out for your future welfare, offer you a significant tax deduction as well. All these options are going to help you reduce your taxable income, but there are specific rules for each one, limits for whatever type of retirement contribution you're making. Staying informed on annual contribution limits is critical for this to keep you out of trouble. Depreciation allows entrepreneurs the ability to deduct the cost of tangible assets over the life of the asset. Whether it's office equipment, machinery, buildings, all of these things can be depreciated. Understanding the depreciation rules can lead to significant tax savings. In 2025, entrepreneurs should be on the lookout for any changes in bonus depreciation or the Section 179 rules that can allow for significant tax deductions. Professional services and education can be another big deduction. If you're paying an attorney or an accountant, any professional, those expenses are all deductible. And in addition, if you have continuing education requirements for your job or for your business, those are all deductible as well. They can all be written off. Travel and entertainment is interesting. While most entertainment is not deductible, travel is. If you're traveling for your business, it's going to be deductible. It's going to be the cost of travel, be it mileage or airfare or anything like that. The lodging while you're gone, meals while you're traveling, they're going to be deductible as well. And again, keeping meticulous records is critical in case you're audited. As the tax laws change and evolve, the strategies that entrepreneurs have to employ need to evolve too. So by utilizing these deductions I've talked about, you give yourself a chance to reduce your taxable income and reinvest in your business. And that's big for most entrepreneurs. As 2025 approaches, make it a priority to focus on your financial strategies and make sure you stay up to date with any changes that are going to impact your business and your deductions.